When I grew up, classrooms were very much about sitting and listening and writing notes. I could sit there and people give me information and I'm just, passively consuming it. I'm not sure that that's where real learning lies. When students are compelled to ask the questions that I'd want to ask them, but they're creating these questions on their own, that's when their minds are actually engaged. The gears have lined up. They're actually starting to spin into that information as opposed to just sitting there and writing it down. If you want kids to learn, they need to struggle. They need to feel a level of risk. They're asking the questions, they're finding the answers, and I'm just a facilitator. That's my job. And those are the moments that they take with them.